Hello boys and girls. I hope last week with our Carton strategy that it made a little bit of sense, especially with using fractions. Now remember, we're using fractions a little bit differently, but the basic ideas and concepts are there. We are still sharing, we're just looking at it a little bit differently. So we are going to continue with the Carton strategy this week, and just as a review, we know that in our Carton is our whole. It is one Carton, one rectangle, but we have 12 equal pieces. It has been split into 12 equal pieces to fit our 12 eggs. Now, if you remember from last week, when we're looking at fractions this way and sharing this way, we're going to look at the numerator to see how many we need to share. Now, our numerator here is telling us just one. We want to share one out of our 12 eggs or one out of our 12 pieces. So I'm just going to color in our 1. And now our picture shows that we've shared one out of our 12 eggs. Okay, now this week let's dive a little bit deeper into this Carton strategy. So we are still going to keep our Carton, alright? And we're still going to keep our whole, which is 12 equal pieces. Let me give you a different problem. One half. Let's share one out of 2 pieces. Okay, well, I have 12 pieces. 12 pieces is my whole because it's an Carton. And I can't really change that, right? I mean, an Carton is an Carton. It's cut into 12 pieces. I can't change that into 2. So how would I make my whole into 2 pieces? Well, another way you can think about it is you can split it in half. Now I know, I'm going to look at the whole for just a minute. I know that half of 12 is 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count out 6 of my pieces, or 6 little eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I am going to cut it in half. Okay, so now my fraction matches my picture. I have 2 pieces in my whole. 1, 2. So now I can complete my fraction. I can show my fraction. I want to share 1 out of my 2 pieces. I've shared 1 out of my 2 pieces. Or I have shared 6 out of my 12 eggs. Hopefully that makes a little bit of sense. I want you this week to go and look at this a little bit more. So what you really need to do is remember that with our Carton strategy, we're going to keep our Carton as our whole. We're going to keep it as 12 equal pieces. But now we're going to be splitting up those 12 pieces into bigger groups and finding different fractions. So, have fun this week and good luck looking a little bit deeper at our Carton strategy.